Okay, Volkswagen Amarok MASV Black Edition in stock. This is a 75 plate. It's got delivery mileage. It's in bright blue metallic, really lovely colour. Panamericana, 3-litre V6, full gloss black grills, gloss black MASV badging, front gloss black nudge bar, 6-piece wide arch kit, smooth in gloss black, satin black, 20-inch alloy wheels with Renegade all-terrain tyres. We've got gloss black mirrors, gloss black side steps, and also the roof rails. So really nice colour. This is your top spec 3-litre V6 in the Panamericana model in this stunning colour. Delivery mileage, satin black Panamericana decals down the side. We've also got limo tint privacy glass, part of our MASV styling, along with the top tint on the windscreen. This is a lovely colour. We sell a lot of black, we sell a lot of grey. It's really refreshing to have a nice bright colour in the showroom. Always complements the styling well in a bright colour. And these are the in-demand pickup to have. 5-year warranty, 5-year service package, 5-year roadside assistance, 3 MOTs all included in VW's 5-year promise. I'll just show you around the back. We've got front and rear mud flaps, satin black rear roll bar, smoke tail lights, gloss black rear bumper, gloss and matte rear badge, V6 badging gloss black also. No tow bar on this one, but if you do require a tow bar, we can supply and fit them. Full load liner fitted to this. We've got the socket in the back. Rear reversing camera. We've got 360 cameras, so cameras in the mirrors as well. Keyless entry. And the Panamericana's got this lovely interior, so black leather with a tan stitching, it's called cricket tan. Armrest, duotone leather to the seats, on the door cards, we've got ambient lighting in the doors there. All your power folding mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, push button start, wireless charger, switchable 4-wheel drive mode, big large tablet style screen. 297 miles only. We've got adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, Apple CarPlay, which is wireless, Harmon Kardon Premium audio, rubber mats, very well spec truck, all the options you need. So electric seats, lumbar support, that is the driver and passenger on an Amarok. Much better spec than a Ford Ranger Wildtrak with one of these. Little armrest in the back and a power port in between the seats. The blue really does look well with the gloss black styling. Daytime running lights on the headlamps there. This is VAT qualifying still. If you are a business, you can still claim the VAT back on one of these if it's used for work purposes. We've got the front canards to the bumper there, which are being added on with the gloss black fog lamp surrounds. What a good looking truck. So in stock now, ready to go. If interested, please give me a call on 0777 111 2040. You can visit us online on www.ma-sv.co.uk. We can offer finance for your business or personally. We do take part exchange. Give us a call. Thank you for watching.